So Issac Hayden, let's see, me come out of my man. Trying to van me there now. Yeah, come out of my. Come out of my, yeah. So best we can hide it. Alright. Issac Hayden joins Portsmouth FC. Portsmouth FC. Now, when you don't know my stance on Issac Hayden already. You see, let me tell you, a lot of persons feel like say me generally machine. Yo, it's so heavy. Anyways, a lot of persons feel say I have an agenda against Issac Hayden. No, I don't have no agenda against Issac Hayden. We're gonna discuss the loan. We're gonna discuss the loan. Little bit after me just make my stance clear. You see, from the moment I watch interview, Issac Hayden speak about his feelings towards Jamaica. At that moment, from that me take my stance and say no, not into him, none at all. People are gonna say, people will say that things can change and people can start view things differently. I agree, no problem at all, none whatsoever. But you see, when you come on to Jamaica, I'm not gonna be like I'm the most patriotic person exists. But I don't want to disrespect my nation, my nationality, and make it seem as if you're better than we. I just accept you with open arms like that. No, when you clearly state your own feeling, you clearly state your own feeling. And since you can state your own feeling about representing Jamaica, I think I also can clearly state my feeling about you coming to represent Jamaica. I think so. You can change your mind now. All that person who come in the comment section can talk about change mind this right there. No problem at all. See, this year, I go give it to you straight. I make you know my exact thoughts. I'm not going to hold back, I'm not going to hide. Yeah? Now, let's get to the loan move. I'm happy. I'm happy that he got the loan move. I'm very happy that he got the loan move. Let me tell you why. Because this loan move now is an opportunity for him to get back on footing. The mere fact that he's already representing Jamaica, we need him to be representing Jamaica at 100% in a full fit, full form, full shape, so that we can get the best out time. Because if he's not playing the ball, we can't get the best out time. We cannot. So I'm happy that he got the loan move because of that reason. I'm still have a big question mark over him coming to represent Jamaica. Huge question mark. And it's not a sense of inequality or this or that, but what was said in the earlier stages of his career, when he was in his prime. You see, when a man is at the top, you will know him. He will show himself to you. Sitting up on the low, grab on by anything. Humility, humbleness at the top. When you're at the top, if you see somebody express and show that at the top, that's a big thing to view. Now, let's get into it. You know, when people come in the comment section, cause me used to it. There's xenophobia, MG only one local baller, all and yeah man, you can come man, you can come, yeah. But with this player, specifically this player, I took my stance. He took his stance earlier in his career. I took my stance. No. And you, just as though you forgive him for what he said early on, so be it, no problem. But for me, well, wear the colors, I was an ambassador of Jamaica whilst I was in the army. I put my life on the line whilst I was in the army. Yeah, I get paid, no problem. But my life was still on the line whilst I was in the army, serving Jamaica. That this is my country. This is what I represent. This represents me. I have a right to feel how me feel about Jamaica. It's not me being more patriotic than anybody else. It's me. This is how I feel about Jamaica. And if you turn around and disrespect Jamaica, don't expect me to welcome you and accept you with open arms. I welcome you on the football aspect, and that alone. So where football is concerned, me I tell you, see, this is my opinion on Issac Hayden. This is my feelings on the player. So this is not a vendetta. It's not a vendetta. None at all. Because what me I come from is strictly from facts. And him say it and me. He expresses his belief on what he thinks about Jamaica. That says a lot about him. We can't change that. Pompey have completed the signing of Newcastle midfielder Issac Hayden in a loan deal for the remainder of the season. The 29-year-old Jamaica international will wear the number 18 shirt during his time playing on the South Coast. Blue boss John Mosino said Issac is a central midfielder who has wealth of experience in the Premier League and Championship. He's extremely comfortable with the ball at his feet and is also very strong defensively, possessing a lot of the attributes we are looking for. But he's also a leader both on and off the pitch. So we're delighted to be able to add him to the squad for the rest of the season. So a big part of it is him being comfortable with the ball at his feet. That's a huge part of his acquisition in the for the Pompies. Hayden progressed through the ranks of Arsenal and made a couple of outings for them in the League Cup. He made the switch to Newcastle in summer of 2016 and played a key role as they secured the championship title in his first season at the club. Regular games in Premier League followed Hayden has made his total of 171 appearances, scoring 7 goals for the Magpies, which is Newcastle. He spent the past couple of seasons out on loan with stints at Norwich, Standard Liège, Queen's Park Rangers, a former England youth international up to the under U21 age group. He has since been capped twice at senior level by Jamaica. So as I said, I'm happy that he gets the opportunity because as I said, if he's going to be a part of the squad, he needs to be playing. He needs to be playing regularly or even consistently. He needs to be playing. He's not a youngster where we say what develop or what try get him ready for the future. No, he's not. He's a player that you're looking for to come in now and do the stuff now. So we now have no time to wait with Hayden. We can wait with the younger players, U20 players, U21 players. We can wait with them. Dujan Whisper, Kaim Dixon, Mackay Welch. We can wait with these players. Delano Splat. These players we can wait. We can give them time for just groom. Dante Casanova. At the end of the day, senior players age 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. We now have no waiting time for them. There's none. They do not facilitate that. So as I said still, let's see how best this loan deal can go for him. If him do well, that would be really good as I said for Jamaica, because at the end of the day, we tell FC players that come, we now play and go up on the field. Our players when are consistent, players out of form, bear them something they want to see. And I do think a time for move away from that. Anyways, big up on yourself people, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys again. Until next time, when you can cuss all and what? Go on cuss. MG Sports TV, we're out. Big up. You know what I mean? Alright people, so we have some really good news for you know? Richard King, Scotland. Rangers. That's a good news though. That's a good news though.